Hello friends, are you ready for a colorful adventure? It's a scarlet macaw with bright red feathers. So beautiful. And down here, scuttling sideways on the sand, is a little crab. This crab is red too. Can you find something red around you? Awesome! Wow! What's this big, beautiful color? It's the color of the sky on a sunny day and the deep, wide ocean. It's blue. B-L-U-E blue. Look at this incredible blue whale swimming gracefully in the water. It's the biggest animal on Earth. And flying high above is a lovely bluebird singing a sweet song. The whale is blue and the bird is blue. You guys are doing so well. Next up, we have a color that reminds me of lush green grass and tall leafy trees. It's green Juarian. Green. Look at this friendly frog getting ready to leap ribbit ribbit. This frog is green, and slithering slowly through the leaves is a long green snake. Hiss. Don't worry, it's a friendly one. Can you say green? Fantastic. Ooh, what's this fun and vibrant color? It's orange. O-R-N-G, orange, just like the fruit. Look at this playful little goldfish swimming in its bowl. Swish, swish. The goldfish is orange, and swinging from a tree branch is a clever orangutan. It has long orange fur. The goldfish and the orangutan are both orange. You're a color expert. Let's explore a color that's sweet and pretty. It's pink. P-O-N-K, pink. Wading in the water on its long legs is a fabulous flamingo. This beautiful bird is pink, and rolling around happily in the mud is a cute little piglet. Oink, oink. This pig is pink too. Can you make a little oink sound like a pink piglet? That was great. Now for a royal and majestic color. It's purple. Pure peel purple. Floating gently in the ocean with its long tentacles is a jellyfish. Some jellyfish are a beautiful purple color, and fluttering by is a delicate butterfly with amazing purple wings. So pretty. The jellyfish and the butterfly are both purple. It's black. Belasi K, Black Panther, walking silently through the jungle. What a powerful animal. And crawling on a leaf is a little black ant, working hard with its friends. The powerful panther and the tiny ant are both black. And what's the opposite of black? It's white. W-H-I-T, white. Look at this soft, fluffy sheep in the meadow, Baba. This sheep's wool is white, and hopping in the snow is a cute white bunny with long ears. The sheep and the bunny are both white and fluffy. Our last color for today is the color of the earth and tree trunks. Thanks for joining me on this colorful adventure. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning with me. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.